Hello and welcome to this short video presentation on the measurement of flat roofs and upper floors from Duncan Cartledge Online. As with second fix joinery items, NOM2 acknowledges the increased use of off-site fabrication for first fix work. As with pitched roofs, I split the taking off into three elements: construction, coverings. Now, traditionally, this would have been in bituminous felt, but increasingly membranes such as EPDM are used, and finally, work to the eaves and rainwater goods. It's important to leave a space of about 50 mm between the timber joists and the external walls. Note that the joists are specified as being from centre to centre. To prevent twisting, strutting is used of either timber or metal. All timber in section 16 is deemed to be sawn, that is, unfinished. It's strange, therefore, that traditional second fix items, such as fascias and barge boards, are included in this section. Here's a sample of the taking off sheet from the full video presentation on Duncan Cartledge Online. For the full picture on the measurement of flat roofs and upper floors, together with over 9 hours of video presentations, go to Duncan Cartledge Online. And please, don't forget to download our podcasts.